I've reviewed a lot of smartphones, but this one stands out for all the right reasons. The Vivo V50 5G, co-engineered with Zeiss, is all about flagship-level photography, AI intelligence, and a sleek curved edge design, all in a mid-range price tag. But is it really as good as it looks? Let's dive in and find out here on M-Kwan Reviews. First things first, the design. So Vivo have gone for an elegant and futuristic approach. The edges feel like they disappear on that curved screen, giving you that premium floating effect. And it's available in two colors, Ancora Red and the Satin Black in my hand, both looking classy and sleek. Plus, it's 150% more drop resistant thanks to the Gorilla Glass reinforcement and a 10-facet cushioning structure. So not just beauty, but also durability. And one standout feature, IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance. This means that Vivo V50 is waterproof and even supports underwater photography, which is super rare at this price point. Now, the curved edge display isn't just for looks, it enhances the visual experience. The screen has deep contrast, vivid colors, and great responsiveness, making it perfect for content consumption and gaming. Now, onto what most of you care about, the cameras, and this is where the Vivo V50 really shines. So we're not getting one or two, but three 50-megapixel cameras across the board. That means whether you're shooting selfies, wide-angle shots, or portraits, you're getting flagship-level details. So let's break it down. For selfies, you get group selfie camera. It's got AI facial contouring, and the selfies look sharp, well lit, even in tough conditions. And with a 92-degree ultra-wide lens, you don't have to do the awkward squeeze-in pose with your friends. For wide angles, you've got a 119-degree field of view. That means you can capture some serious landscape shots without stepping back a mile. And the main camera, pure Zeiss magic. It means that you get natural colors, sharper details, DSLR level stabilization. Basically, even if you're shooting on the move, your shots won't look like a shaky mess. And Vivo camera isn't complete without AI or a light portrait 2.0. Now, you know how most phone flashes make you look like you just saw a ghost? Well, this fixes that. So instead of looking like you've been hit by a spotlight, you get natural studio quality lighting, whether you're taking selfies or portraits. And if you like to experiment with different portrait styles, Vivo's got you covered with Zeiss multifocal portrait modes. Oh, and for those little distractions in the background, AI Erase 2.0 lets you remove unwanted objects with a tap, and it's super handy for cleaning up busy shots. Now, the bonus, you can shoot 4K video on all cameras. So if you're into vlogging, TikTok, or just capturing high quality memories, you're getting some serious value here. So yeah, the camera setup is really good, whether you're a casual shooter or someone who takes mobile photography seriously. Now, a beautiful phone is great, but what about performance? Well, the Vivo V50 packs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. It's a power-efficient, AI-driven processor. It handles gaming, multitasking, demanding apps smoothly. And talking about battery life, because this phone is an absolute powerhouse. You've got 6,000 milliamp hour Blue Volt battery, one of the biggest in its category. And when you factor in the design of this and how thin this is, it's pretty impressive as well. You've got a 90-watt flash charge, meaning you get a full day's battery in minutes. And it runs AI-powered features, including Google Gemini AI. You've got AI screen translation, AI transcript assist, and circle to search. And that makes the user experience super smart and also intuitive. So who is the Vivo V50 5G for? Well, if you want a mid-range phone that looks like a flagship, has one of the best camera systems at this price, offers AI-enhanced features with all-day battery life, then I think this is a fantastic choice. That being said, if you're a hardcore gamer or need top-tier flagship performance, you might still want to look at something with a Snapdragon 8 series chip. But for everyone else, the Vivo V50 is a serious contender in 2025. What do you think about this Vivo V50? Drop a comment below. And if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews, and check out this video here. See you in the next one.